Hey kiddos, it's all about monkeys and giraffes today, and I came across a really neat science experiment where we get to make what looks like giraffe skin. Well, there's also a lesson to learn in this. I have a big word to introduce you to. Capillary action. Can you say that? Capillary action. Yes, whenever we do a science experiment, there's always something to learn. Now, you may have never heard of that word before, capillary action, or maybe you have heard of capillaries. Capillaries are small blood vessels that are in your body that help carry blood away from your heart into the different parts of your body. Well, capillary action is the ability of a liquid to move into really small, narrow spaces. And we're going to get to see capillary action in action during this science activity. Okay, first, let's go over the materials. For this science experiment, you'll need some paper towels, you'll need some water paint and a paintbrush, and of course, some water. That's all you'll need. Okay, so I'm going to take a piece of my paper towel. You'll want to work on an area that it's okay if it gets a little wet. I'm going to put my paper towel up here so that you can see it. And we're going to get going with our step number 2, our procedure. Okay, so we have all our materials. What we're going to do is we're going to take different colors of our water paint and we're going to put them onto our paper towel. You know how a giraffe's body has spots all over it, and the giraffe spots are unique and special to each giraffe. Each giraffe has its own design. Well, you're going to get to make your own giraffe skin design on this paper towel. Yours is going to be different from mine, and they're going to be awesome. Well, in the process of doing that, we are going to get to see capillary action. We're going to get to see a liquid move into a very small, narrow space. So number 3, I'm going to make a prediction, and I want you to make a prediction. How do you think a liquid is going to move into a small space during this activity? Think about the paper towel that you have. We do have a liquid. We have some water. How could liquid move into a small, narrow space? If you're noticing on the paper towel, my paper towel has little ridges and designs. I'm wondering if the watercolor is going to move into some of those ridges. I'm wondering if it's going to spread out. I wonder if that's the capillary action we're going to see. Well, that's my prediction. Let's go ahead and start so that we can find out what happens. I'm going to take my water, and you can use any color you want. Now, I know that the spots on a giraffe are dark, and we learned in our book today that a male giraffe, its spots get darker as it gets older. But I'm going to use some orange, I think, and I'm just going to put some on. Oh my goodness, I immediately saw capillary action. I saw the watercolor start to spread. Well, I'm going to get another color. I think I'll get some brown, and I'm just going to touch my, oh, did you see that spread? I know it might be hard from far away, but I'm barely touching my paper towel, and the liquid is spreading to those small, narrow spaces, those ridges. Well, I'm going to keep adding some colors. I think I'll use some yellow there. Maybe some brown over here. Oh, that's so cool. I think I might even add some red. You can make your giraffe design any color that you want. And the cool thing is that each giraffe design is going to be different and special and unique, just like you. Okay, I think I'll add a little bit more orange over here. Sometimes I barely touch the paper towel, and that liquid, the water paint that's on my brush, starts to spread. That's capillary action. The liquid, the water paint, is moving into small spaces in my paper towel. How cool is that? Well, I'm going to keep working on my giraffe design. I hope you have lots of fun making some pretend giraffe skin and watching capillary action take place. Okay, see you later, kiddos.